Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to add videos into your Shopify product descriptions. To jump straight in and to get started, we go to products on the left hand side here, and then you'll select your product as to where you want your video within the description. So what we're going to do is once you're in your product description here, you will then hop over to YouTube and upload your video to YouTube to embed it into this description here. The reason we use YouTube for embedding videos into descriptions is purely for a hosting site. So the videos will be hosted on YouTube, then they can be transported over. So just a couple of demonstrations for you. We've got a YouTube long, like a regular YouTube video, and a YouTube short, because there's two different techniques to doing it. So to embed a normal video, I've just got this video here as a demonstration. You would grab your most ideal video to demonstrate your product, and demonstrate someone using your product or a review to your product or something like that. So what you would do is you would grab the video, you would just go share. Then you would click embed. Now you just grab all of this code right here. You would hit copy. Now you would just pop over here and click on, make sure your cursor is flashing where you want it to go. You'd hit insert video, paste that in there. And then this here will allow everything. So you just hit insert video. And that's it. So that's how you do a regular video. So now how you do a short form video or a short video, a YouTube short, is a little bit different. Not sure why it's different. It's just they don't have, when you hit share on a YouTube short, it just doesn't have an embed option here anywhere. So what you do is I'll pop this code down the bottom, down in the description below. But basically what you do is you pop in this code. So this here is just, it's got preset width and height for a short basically. And now what you do is you grab this code, all of this code here after the slash. You grab all of that. So slash FLB, etc., all the way to the end. You copy that. And then you paste it in where it says shorts video code, and you just paste that in there. You give it a title, YouTube video player, and you can say, short review for, and then you could go like product title or something for SEO purposes. This is just telling Google what this line of code is basically. Yeah. And then you hit insert video, and you can see that it works correctly. Both videos on the page. And that's basically it. So that is how. I'll just hit save. And then you go preview. And that shows you here the videos that are, you just click them to load them, and that shows you how you can add videos, both long regular content videos and YouTube shorts, into your product descriptions on Shopify. Any questions or anything I can help with, don't hesitate to let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.